In front of me is OnePlus Nord 6, and today I would like to show you how you can set up AppLock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Security and Privacy section available here. Now scroll all the way down to choose AppLock under Special Features. If you don't have a privacy password, you need to set it up to use AppLock, so hit Settings in the pop-up to do it now. Click on Use a different password type and pick one of those. It will be used to lock your apps. 4 digits, 6 digits, 4 to 16 digits, pattern or alphanumeric. Now create it and repeat it to confirm it. Then set up your recovery email just in case you'll ever forget your privacy password. And click on Question. You can answer this one, or if you won't like it, click on it here, pick any of those and answer it. If you don't like any of them, tap on the question, choose Custom Question at the bottom and create your own. Make sure to hit Confirm and answer it correctly below. Then hit Done to continue. To lock any apps, you need to tap on gray switcher next to AppLock first to enable it. If you ever want to switch it off, use the same one. Now to lock an app, use gray switcher next to it and go back. So when I try to access it now, I can see that privacy password is required. If you want to disable AppLock from any app, go back to the same section in your settings, enter privacy password and tap on Locked to see all of your locked apps. Use blue switcher next to the one from which you want to disable AppLock. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!